What's going on, guys? Critical Ray back here again. Today I'm going to be unboxing the 4K of Wonder. Now this stars Julia Roberts, Owen Wilson, and Jacob Tremblay. I have not seen this movie yet, but I am looking forward to watching it. It's certified fresh on Rotten Tomatoes. 3 hours of special features, or over 3 hours. And yeah, alright, so nice looking artwork on the front. The spine. Back you get some little pictures of the movie, from the movie. And like always, if you want to read the description of the movie, pause the video. Alright. And it is a very glossy slipcover, by the way, which is nice. And so the front, spine, and the back are all the same. Let's dive right in. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Let me take the digital copy out. And we do have disc art. Now sadly the 4K and the Blu-ray disc art are the same. But yeah. And it's the same as the cover. But hey, at least we get disc art. So if you've seen this movie, comment down below, let me know what you thought about it. And yeah, like the video, share the video, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Goodbye.